Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust key bindings in Arena Breakout Infinite. To do it, click on Escape to enter settings, then go to Control, and first you can choose a preset if you want, or you can adjust all of these key bindings manually, and to do it, click on them like that, and then click once, then choose a button which you want to assign like that. When it's red, that means that it's a duplicate. So for example, here is the left mouse button, and here it is as well, so I'm gonna set it to 2 and here to 1, and let's configure whether to press or double click, because in some of these cases you can set it to press, double click or hold. And now it is set. You can click on save, confirm, and click here to go back. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.